Hello there, new recruit. Welcome to Generic Inc. What you're watching right now is one of our many videos aimed on educating newcomers on basic science. Why should I explain to you something that you've learned years ago at school? Because here at Generic Inc., we strive to keep our employees' minds at tip-top shape. This is where you'll be working, where all our smart scientists are innovating 24/7. The Research Division. You'll be working with professional scientists. Get me out of here! Ah! Today, we'll learn the basic principles of matter. All scientists must be familiar with these. We'll learn about elements, compounds, and lastly, mixtures, with other stuff included. Please listen carefully, or else you're gonna end up like that guy. Explain to me again what's a compound!
I don't know. I wasn't paying attention.
You disappoint me!
Not the stick of doom! Oh! Ah! 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 Ah!
Okay. We will now discuss the basic matter types. First, what is an element? Well, an element is a substance that's made from a single type of atom. All of its atoms have the same number of protons, or all atoms have the same atomic number. Elements are the simplest form of matter. They cannot be broken into simpler particles. Scientists so far have discovered 94 elements that naturally occur on Earth. The periodic table only contains elements. I will explain why later on. Now, what are compounds? A compound is made up of atoms from different elements that are chemically combined together. The reason on why there isn't a periodic table about compounds is that the table would be very colossal. So big I think that it will be bigger than Earth. All the different combinations of elements are basically infinite. Sometimes new elements get discovered, adding to that already gargantuan amount of combinations of elements. Lastly, we'll talk about mixtures. They're just a bunch of substances that are physically mixed together. Imagine a peanut butter and jam sandwich. On two different slices of bread, you add on the first one the peanut butter, and on the other one, you add the jam. Then you merge them both. Basically, mixtures are like that.
What was that, bro?
I've been doing these videos for a long time. I'm getting tired. Can you please help me? Do it or else you're fired! Here's the script. It's at my phone.
I don't want to do your experiments anymore.
Will this change your mind? Mula. Money.
Fine, I'll do it.
Good. Now I can take a nap.
Alrighty, let's read the script, man. This is the crappiest crap I've ever seen in my life. Hey, did he move? Hey, why are you gasping like that?
Whatever you do, don't turn your head 180 degrees to the right.
What do you mean I can't turn my head 180 degrees? You're not my fault. Hi, boss. Did you enjoy your nap? It's nice bitten, boss. It's so shiny and solid and...
No one appreciates my art.
We will now discuss the final lesson of this video. The states of matter. The four states of matter are solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. First, we'll discuss about solid matter. What is solid matter? Well, solid matter is all the stuff that you can hold and pick up. It's all the things that surround you. Now, what are liquids? Liquids are a substance that flows freely but is of constant volume. Now, what are gases? Gases are substances that expand freely to fill the whole of a container. They have no fixed shape and have no fixed volume. Now, what is plasma? Plasma is considered as the fourth state of matter. It is a hot ionized gas that allows both the positive charged ions and a negative charged electron to coexist. Being an electrically charged particle, plasma is strongly influenced by electric and magnetic fields. I will now explain the phase changes of matter. Phase change is when matter changes state. The first phase change is melting, when solid material turns into liquid. Next is vaporization, when liquids turn into gases. There are actually two types of vaporization. First is evaporation, which only occurs on the surface of liquids. Evaporation can occur at any temperature. Next is boiling. It occurs anywhere on liquids. It only occurs at very hot temperatures. The next phase change is sublimation, when solids turn into gases. The best example of this is dry ice. Next is condensation, when gas turns into liquids. A good example is morning dew. Up next is freezing, when liquids turn into solids. Finally, deposition, when gases turn into liquids. A good example of this is frost. If you ever get confused or forget what a phase change does, well, look at a phase diagram. A useful diagram showing all the phase changes. Hello there! The scientists down there are developing a new substance that turns air into physical solid matter.
Matter phase change test number 1. Air in this containment area will turn into solid matter. Drop in only a few of the solution.
Yes, ma'am. It's done.
Over there, to a safe distance.
Okay.
All good. Everything is in. What?
What's wrong?
We forgot to close the lid!
Oh no! Oh, I'm gonna die.
Oh look, the exit! Quick, open the door!
Wait, my phone! I gotta get my phone!
No, don't get your phone!
Geronimo!
No! Don't leave me!
That escalated quickly.
Thanks for watching this short educational video. I hope that you've learned something new today. And also, thanks for choosing generic ink as your primary job.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.